everybody, welcome back. This is day one of 30 Days of Code. Today we are going over data types. Here we are tasked with three main things: declaring a type of integer, a double, otherwise known as a float, and a type of string. And of these three types, we're going to have them read in by an input, and then we will print the sum of our integer plus whatever we read in as our integer and print the sum of that, along with the same thing for double and the same thing with our string. Now we are given this I for D 4.0 and our string HackerRank. So let's just start with declaring our second integer, double, and string variables. We can easily just start with calling it A. Our double has decimal points, and our string will be just like that. And they're just empty because we're going to read and save the integer, double, and string to our new variables based on what we input into them. To do that, we will just set A to an integer based off our input. And for B, same thing. It's type float. And C, our string str is our abbreviation for string. Once again, it's what we input. Print the sum of both integer variables on a new line. To do that, simply print, use arithmetic I plus A. Print the sum of the double variables on a new line. So once again, for here, we would just print D plus B. Great. And concatenate print the string variable on the new line. This is pretty simple. We would just, and then we already know that we must start with S. So to do that, pretty similar, print S. And we know these are strings, but just like strings, we can add them and combine them with our plus symbol. Let's see if that works. Great. Everything checks out fine. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you tomorrow for day 2.